الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
1-0 to Orange. Mai, atanka 1-0. So, Loring yawa 1-0. Penalty wala si. Goal sana ya sekali ini. Mahada. Mistake. uma baahna foosta uma baahna foosta
istaalku u taagan yahay ayaa sheegaya Faysal
inuu diyaar yahay MashaAllah. Well done, boys. Oh, special free. Finally, Mahdi's going to announce the
We need to be fair. It's not only a one-day tournament. It's about who's the best of the finals, man. Come on, to get all the teams to play there. Our already decided to give it to Abdurrahman Bashe from.
What it is, we've got a new generation that's coming up now that don't really know about the history of Al-Huda. Like if we get up and running the community again, it's going to make a big impact in terms of brotherhood coming together and, do you know what I mean, and being a one as it was back in the days.
Well, I think it's a very good cause, you know. All the kids are enjoying it, everyone's enjoying it, the teams will be playing well. I've got another team behind me playing really well. I think this is the final. You know, mashallah, lucky my team didn't make it through, but next year.
This is the second time I've taken part of seeing this wonderful tournament. It's for a great cause. It's fun racing for the masjid. As for today, so far it's been great. Football played in great spirit. The sunset, everyone's happy, everyone's smiling.
My experience on today was great and great day of fundraising. Great community cohesion, mashallah, a lot of youngsters got involved, a lot of elderly members got involved, all part of the community got involved, mashallah, very good. And most importantly, we raised a lot of money. Most people have signed up to direct debit 10 a month, it's the price of a coffee, £2.50 a week. Collectively across the people in the community, it makes a huge difference when everyone chips in. Individually, it's something really small that doesn't change the person's life anywhere whatsoever.
The tournament was absolutely fantastic. Everybody who took part, mashallah, was on point. The youngsters worked really hard and they participated and they donated. They bought a lot of things. We were selling snacks and savouries and drinks and tea, and alhamdulillah we managed to raise a lot of money. So yeah, today's overall feeling, I think, from everybody who was involved has been absolutely fantastic, and alhamdulillah I think everybody so far is happy with the outcome of the tournament.
Growing up, Al-Huda was the hub for most of us growing up in East London, whether it's male or female. I mean, it was the place where majority of us went to study the Quran, and it was basically, it was more than a masjid for us. And I would encourage greatly for all to get involved again.
You know what? Let's keep the fundraisers going. We can do more community events, inshallah. You know, this is not for us, it's for the whole community, yeah? So we've got to keep it going. Inshallah, we're doing it with something we love, which is football as well.
Assalamu alaikum. We're here at the Al-Huda Stepney Green tournament. We're fundraising for the masjid. Our masjid has been closed for the last 3 years, and we require 3.8 million for it to be opened again. This is our community masjid, guys. So inshallah, any little helps, do you know what I mean? Whatever you can, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. What we're trying to do is like obviously bring the brothers together, like have fun and that, and obviously do what we like to do, and at the same time raise money for like the mosque and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So basically, it was a good day out, sunny day. Everyone comes out to bang ball. The usual, innit?
In terms of getting involved with the masjid and helping it be a sustainable place in the long term, what I would say is to all the brothers and sisters out there, Muslim people who are out there, please go online. You see all the donation links on your screen. Please participate, inshallah. Please donate as much as you can. Invest in your akhirah, invest in your judgment day. Every penny you donate, it will be multiplied for you by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the Prophet ﷺ said, whoever builds a house for Allah, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will build for that person a house in paradise. So what we'd like you to do, inshallah, is go online, encourage your friends, encourage your family, contact the masjid. Please get involved in any way you can. If it's volunteering, if it's financially, if it's just coming along and just supporting us, inshallah. Please share our message. Go on to our social medias, share it with everybody you can, spread the word for us.
You can donate. We've got a link. There's an online link, and then you can either send money online or you can go on our website, check it out. And yeah, everything you need is on here at the end of the day.
And basically, it's not a lot of money. Basically, it's like what, £10 a month. Like that's how much you spend a day, anyways.